2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28, the return of a track legend. The 2025 Chevrolet Camaro Z/28 is set to redefine track performance with raw power, aggressive aerodynamics, and race-ready engineering. Designed for enthusiasts, this beast is built to dominate the road and the racetrack. Racing car power and performance. Under the hood, the Z/28 is expected to feature a naturally aspirated V8 pushing over 600 horsepower, paired with a lightweight chassis for enhanced agility. The track-tuned suspension, improved aerodynamics, and aggressive bodywork make it a true performance machine. Automobile design and aerodynamics. The 2025 Z/28 boasts a wide body stance, large rear wing, front splitter, and racing-inspired vents for optimal airflow and downforce. With a metallic blue finish and black racing stripes, it exudes muscle car dominance. Fire interior and tech. Inside, the cockpit is driver-focused, featuring Alcantara bucket seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and carbon fiber accents. Advanced performance telemetry and minimal distractions ensure a pure driving experience. Dashing away the ultimate track beast. Chevrolet brings back the Z/28 legacy with one goal: unmatched track performance. If you're looking for speed, precision, and adrenaline, the 2025 Camaro Z/28 delivers. Would you take this beast for a spin?